Okay, welcome back to another video. So today my dad and I are in the Forest of Dean, which is just on the border between England and Wales, on the very south bit of it, if you don't know. And rather than going to the trail centre that's here, we thought we would try a little bit of the off-piste. Now, I don't know the area well, so it's very much a question of, you know, look at a map, try and pick out some good routes. But I'm pretty confident it's going to be a good ride. Beautiful bit of light coming through the trees. So I think typically this bit is ridden as quite a gentle descent, but actually works really well as a climbing trail. A couple of tricky bits, but for the most part it's been real nice. Although this bit's a bit muddy. There's a big fallen tree. So I think one really nice thing about riding in the Forest of Dean is that so much of it is untouched in terms of, you know, it's not been felled and replanted like the Forestry Commission do with neat rows of trees. So it feels much more natural and got a bit more character. Oh my god, it's fully drifted around that corner. It's actually a lot more slippery than it looks. Ooh, that was tight. All right, time to descend. Almost got my feet taken out by that branch across the trail. Conditions are pretty nice. Some muddy patches here and there. Overall pretty decent. But there are some spots where it looks pretty dry. Oh, that was a cool corner. Looks pretty dry, but then super slick underneath the topsoil. Trying to be a little bit careful. Tricky corner. Doing my best not to catch my back wheel on any roots. Yeah, these corners are actually pretty steep, even though they won't look it on camera. Beauty of a trail. Oh, this is tight. Oh, that's even tighter. Such a pretty trail. I couldn't tell where it went there. Thread it. A little bit steeper. Ooh. Back wheel slid into that puddle. Oh, that was super muddy. All right, last descent, let's hit it. That was a sketchy corner. No idea which way I'm going. Love these little side hits on the trail. Didn't take that corner very well, but did well. No idea where I'm going. Woo. A little bit overgrown here. Oh, that was bad. Oh well. could have done that, but wasn't sure how big it was on the other side. Ooh, some big puddles. That was a steep bit to finish. Alright, gonna call it there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, I'll catch you in the next one.